Hi, my name is Emily, and today I'm going to show you how to install Openvpn for Mac. So what we're going to do first is open up our browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. You can also use Safari if you don't have Chrome or Firefox. So we're going to go to awsvpn.setonhill.edu. And once we get here, it's going to ask for our Seton Hill credentials, our MyShoe credentials. So we're going to input those. And then it's going to take you to this page here. It's asking for your Duo authentication. So we can either do a push, a phone call, or a text message. It depends on how you do your Duo. I get mine through a Duo push, so I'm going to type in the word push. If you get phone calls typically, just type in the word phone. So I'm going to hit continue. And then I'm going to accept said push. Okay, and then it's going to take us to this page here where we can install our application. We're going to do the first one here. So just double click that. Okay, then we're going to double click the little installation in the bottom here. Okay, and then we're going to double click this installer package. And it's going to take us through the steps on how to install VPN. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit continue on the software license agreement. Now I'm going to agree to it. Then I'm going to hit this install button here. And this is going to pop up. So it's requesting your computer password, not your MyShoe or Seton Hill password. It's the password that you use to get into the computer itself. So the username can stay the same, and then just type in whatever your computer password would be to install the software. And let that run. Okay, it was successful, so I'm going to close this box and we can move this installer to the trash. That's fine. Okay, and once it's installed, you can either access it by going into Launchpad or into your applications folder in Finder. So I'm going to hit Launchpad and it's right here. So I'm going to click that. We can go ahead and exit out of our browser. So this is the application box that's going to pop up whenever you initially click on the icon. So we're going to go ahead and hit this and then type in your MyShoe username and MyShoe password. I'm going to hit OK, and then it's going to ask us for our Duo push and our phone call. So I typically get a push, so I'm going to type in the word push. And then I'm going to accept the push. And we're now successfully connected to the VPN. If we want to close out of this box, that's totally fine. Your icon for it's going to be up here. You can open that application again just so you have it. It's entirely up to you. And this is also how we disconnect from the VPN. And that's it. That's all we need to do. So if you have any other questions or concerns, you can contact the Solution Center at 724-830-1805 or email us at support@setonhill.edu. Thank you.